Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Owala bottle is probably one of the most innovative and user-friendly hydration solutions available today, perfectly blending sleek design with practical features to ensure you stay refreshed throughout your day, whether you're hitting the gym, commuting, or just enjoying a quiet moment at home, making it a truly indispensable companion for anyone serious about their daily water intake. Number 5. Owala FreeSip 24-ounce Summer Sweetness Water Bottle. Discover the Owala FreeSip, a 24-ounce insulated stainless steel water bottle. It features a unique FreeSip spout and a secure push-button lid with a lock. Its patented FreeSip spout offers unparalleled versatility. You can comfortably sip upright through the built-in straw or tilt it back to enjoy a refreshing swig from the wide opening. The protective push-to-open lid ensures your spout stays clean and hygienic. Plus, its convenient carry loop ingeniously doubles as a secure lock for added peace of mind. Thanks to its advanced double-wall insulation, your drinks will remain refreshingly cold for up to 24 hours. This ensures your beverage is always at the perfect temperature, no matter where your day takes you. It boasts a wide opening, making both cleaning and adding ice a breeze. Maintain its pristine condition effortlessly, ensuring every sip is as fresh as the first. While its base is designed to be cup-holder friendly, please note it's wider than standard sizes. It may best fit oversized or specialty cup holders, ensuring a snug and secure placement. What we like? This bottle offers a unique FreeSip spout for both sipping and swigging, combined with impressive 24-hour insulation. If you are looking for a versatile bottle that keeps your drinks icy cold all day, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for long commutes, outdoor adventures, or anyone who values sustained cold beverages. What people say. Number 4. Owala FreeSip Clear Tritan Water Bottle 25 ounces. Introducing the Owala FreeSip, your perfect companion for staying hydrated on the go. This 25-ounce reusable bottle is designed for convenience and style. Experience its unique FreeSip spout technology. It features a built-in straw for easy sipping and a wide opening for quick swigging, adapting to your preference. Its protective push-button lid keeps the spout clean and secure. Plus, the convenient carry loop also doubles as a lock, ensuring no accidental spills. This bottle boasts a wide opening, making it simple to clean and add ice. Its base is also designed to fit most cup holders, perfect for travel. Crafted from durable, BPA, and phthalate-free Tritan plastic, it resists stains and odors. You can easily clean it in the dishwasher, making maintenance a breeze. What we like? This clear bottle features the innovative FreeSip spout, allowing you to sip or swig with ease, and is made from durable Tritan plastic. If you prefer to see your drink level and want a lightweight, easy-to-clean option, this one is ideal. It's great for daily use, gym sessions, or anyone who values convenience and transparency. What people say. Number 3. 3-in-1 Multifunctional Cleaning Brush Set. This innovative set includes 3 mixed color brushes. Each one offers 3 distinct functions, providing a versatile and enriching cleaning experience. Its bottle brush head rotates 364 degrees and can be fixed, featuring a U-shaped silicone brush, a stranded slit brush, and a stiff bristle corner brush. These different functions make it suitable for cleaning various objects. Crafted from high-quality, strong, and durable stainless steel, it ensures longevity. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while its strong bristles offer superior dirt removal. Equipped with a convenient hanging hole, it can be easily drained and stored, saving space. Its new design style is both beautiful and practical. This unique cleaning tool makes an excellent gift for friends who appreciate tidiness. It offers them practical help and added convenience in their daily lives. What we like? This innovative 3-in-1 cleaning brush set is designed to tackle every nook and cranny of your bottles and lids. If you struggle with hard-to-reach spots and want a comprehensive cleaning solution, this set is a must-have. It's perfect for maintaining hygiene and extending the life of your favorite drinkware, especially those with intricate parts. What people say. No product reviews were provided to extract points from. No product reviews were provided to extract points from. Number 2. Ello 14-ounce Vacuum Insulated Stainless Steel Kids Water Bottle. Crafted from premium 18/8 stainless steel, this bottle is designed to withstand daily drops and adventures. All its components are completely BPA-free, ensuring safety for your child. It's built for durability. Thanks to its vacuum insulation, it keeps beverages refreshingly cold for over 14 hours. Your child can enjoy a cool drink from morning till evening, no matter the activity. It ensures lasting coolness. Cleaning is a breeze with this bottle. While hand washing is recommended for the main body, the lid and straw are conveniently dishwasher safe. The removable silicone spout ensures every part can be thoroughly cleaned. Its kid-friendly design includes a built-in loop, making it easy to carry or attach to a backpack. It also fits perfectly in car cup holders, ensuring hydration is always within reach for school, sports, and travel. This design prioritizes convenience. This bottle is the perfect companion for keeping your child hydrated throughout their busy day. Whether it's for sports games, recess, or simply at school, it ensures they always have access to water. It supports an active lifestyle. What we like. This durable 14 ounces stainless steel bottle is specifically designed for kids, keeping drinks cold for over 14 hours. If you need a robust, leak-proof bottle that can withstand daily adventures and fit easily in a backpack, this is your go-to. It's perfect for school, sports, or any active child needing reliable hydration on the go. What people say. Number 1. Swigg 1 BPA free sports water bottle. Stay refreshed and worry-free. This bottle is crafted from durable Tritan plastic, ensuring it's completely free of BPA, BPS, and other harmful compounds. Hydrate quickly and easily with its smart, ergonomic design. Its spring-loaded cover pops open with just one touch, making it perfect for active lifestyles. Enjoy your drinks without any spills. Its leak-proof cover means you can confidently shake up your favorite mixes, even while on the move. Designed for convenience, it fits perfectly in your hand, reducing the risk of drops. Plus, cleaning is a breeze as it's completely dishwasher safe. Achieve your hydration goals with this sleek, minimalist bottle. It's lightweight and holds 20 to 24 ounces, making it ideal for any activity. Whether you're at the gym, on your bike, or in the car, this bottle is your ideal hydration partner. It's reusable and refillable for all your adventures. What we like. This ergonomic sports bottle is made from safe, BPA-free Tritan plastic and features a convenient spring-loaded, leak-proof cover. If you are an active individual looking for a lightweight, easy-to-grip bottle for workouts or sports, this one is excellent. It's ideal for the gym, cycling, or any activity where quick, secure, and safe hydration is key. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.